Hello and welcome back. I will show today how to make a contour map in ArcGIS. For that, first of all, we need an Excel file. In this task, we have taken 5 upazilas of Bangladesh, and with their latitude and longitude, we have taken water depths of 2022. After saving it, we have to close it because without closing it we cannot make a map in ArcGIS. Next, we have taken those 5 upazilas by separating them from the big Bangladesh map. These are the 5 upazilas: Manda, Badolgasi, Patnitola, Mahadevpur and Niyamatpur. These are located in Rajshahi division. From here we have to delete the legend because it was for another experiment. Now, taking only these 5 upazilas, we have to go to File, then Add Data, and then add XY data. From here, we have to go to the Excel file we have shown for 2022. Connecting the folder, we have to click Desktop. Then it was in year Excel file. Here we can see 2022. We have to add it. Then in Z field, we have to give the water depth. Then click OK. And these points we can see, which are very small, are the upazila offices. After that, we have to right click and then export the data. Without exporting, we cannot make a contour map. In order to make a contour map, first we have to do either IDW or clicking and then make the contour map. So after this, we have to uncheck, and the size can be changed from here. You can take any shape you want as you wish. You can also enlarge the size. Okay, it looks beautiful. Now we have to do either IDW or clicking. I will show with IDW. For doing IDW, first of all we have to go to Arc toolbox and left click. Then from Spatial Analysis tool we have to select interpolation, and then from interpolation we have to select IDW. In IDW we have to select here the export output 5. It will take some time to process. Next, from Z values we have to take water depth, and next we have to go to environment. From environment we have to select processing extent, and then we have to select the groundwater depth feet, which are the 5 places. Next we have to go to raster analysis. From that we have to clear this, and in mask we have to give this groundwater depth in feet. After clicking OK, then OK. It will take some time for processing the IDW. We will wait for some time. Within that we can merge the layers. Okay. For merging the layer we will click layers and then collapse all layers, and it has become small. Now unchecking the groundwater depth in feet, we can see here our beautiful IDW map has been created. Now what we will do is make the contour map. In order to make the contour map, we will click search and write contour and press enter. Next we have to click contour spatial analyst. From here we have to select IDW shape 4. Next we have to go contour interval, we will give 2. You can also give 5 or 0.5, etc. It depends upon the map. Then going to processing extent, we will give in default the what we have created here, IDW shape 4. So same as layer IDW shape 4. Next in raster analysis, we will clear this, and in mask we will give here IDW 4 and click OK. Next OK. It will take some time to create the IDW map and contour map, and our finally contour map has been created, which looks very beautiful. We can change the color to something else, blue. This is the contour map. It can be more darker so that it can be more eye-catching. Okay. Now we will level it by clicking the level features. As it is very small, we will go to properties, and then we have to go to levels, and here we can write the size 15 and then apply, and then OK, its size has increased. We are almost finished. What we have to do now is give the legend. For the legend we have to go to here, insert, and then legend. Next, click next, 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 finish, and our legend has been created. Now we will change the names here. Our name here is export output 5. Don't click too much because it will open the properties. Single left click, and then after some time another left click, we can rename it. These are the 5 upajilas, so I will name it with 5 upajilas, and then click enter. See, the name has changed to 5 upajilas. The space between 5 is less, so we can give here another space and then click enter so that it can be more eye-catching. 5 upajilas. Next, contour IDW shape 10. I will also rename with 2022 groundwater level contour for average depth, and then click enter. As it is not accommodating, so we can just shift this to left side, and then this comes here. Now we can see a beautiful contour map with 2022 groundwater level contour for average depths and for 5 upajilas. In order to give it a nice position, we will select here hand and give it a nice position. In order to make it big, we can increase the boundaries here. Take this aside so that we can make this more a bit large if we desire. We can take this to bottom corner and make it large. See, our beautiful contour map has been created. This is the north arrow. These are the contour lines and legend of 5 upajalas, 2022 groundwater level contour for average depths. These are the depths ranges and this is our scale. Now we will make it a PDF so that we can easily print. For that, first of all, I want to print without contour. So this is the map of IDW without contour lines. I will first of all export this from export map, click desktop, and here I can give it as any name 7, and then with the contour map I will export it on desktop, giving name as 8 and then save it. What we will see here is 7 and 8. This is 7 and 8. This was our map of IDW and this is our map of contour. Thank you everyone.